how do we bridge the gap between conservation and livelihoods? How do we ensure that there's synergy? The whole idea of farming seaweed started from the fishers. It's a program from fishers for fishers. I'm just really the intermediary that helps to guide the process. So they have like in-depth knowledge of this area that it would take me decades to try to get. So those are things that this training program tries to incorporate. When we talk to fishers, it's, well, you know what, I can't force the sea to produce more fish, but I can do something else that would keep me in the water. That's seaweed farming. They said, you know what, well, we don't have as much seaweed in a while, and we have a demand, so let's farm it, we can do it. But at the same time, they recognize that by not harvesting it from the wild, well, they're allowing it to recover the populations. As a conservation organization, we're looking at it from sustainable aquaculture or restorative aquaculture. How do we restore ecosystems using aquaculture or mariculture, as we'd say here in Belize? At TNC, we look at it and we say, okay, well, if the fishers move more towards seaweed farming, they're not, putting that much pressure on the ecosystem. If you go to the farms, you will find tons and tons of species, because essentially what it is, it's its own ecosystem. Let's think about the long run, because to go from I'm going to fish today and I'm going to be paid today to let's think about 5-10 years from now, even for myself, it takes some effort to think that far ahead, because we don't know what it's going to be. I mean, the fishers are hopeful that the fish stocks will increase again, but the trends are showing otherwise. So for TNC, we're looking at that as an opportunity to engage more with the fishers, engage in more sustainable restorative aquaculture.